Hey, what's up DIYers and Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking TVs today. We're going to show you the internal main board and its purpose. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, in front of us is the main board. This came out of a TV recently and a lot going on with this. There are several connection points. Your ribbon wiring connects into these little tabs here and then are secured in place. And check that out. A lot going on. You got a couple connection points here and wiring. Feeds all the way to your Wi-Fi module, your power button. This is your IR sensor or your remote sensor. That's that little red light at the very bottom of your TV. That's always on when the TV is off. Then you've got all your ports on the side, your coax, your HDMIs, and several additional ports. And this just snaps in place inside your actual TV. What I want to do now is open up a TV and show you where this is installed on it. All right, DIYers, we got the back panel removed. We have much better access to all of the internal parts of our TV. We'll talk about a few things. We got our speakers, and we've got our Wi-Fi module, IR sensor, power button, main board, feeds electrical power to our ribbon wiring that feed into your panel, and you got your main power board. And there's your connection that your power cable connects into and feeds all the way to the wall outlet in your home. And again, that's the main power board. That's what brings in all the power and manages it and sends it responsibly throughout the wiring to other components or parts. However, we want to talk about our main board. And this little wiring right here, this is where your main board gets its power from our power board. And once it gets its power, it basically gets to work. I mean, look at this panel or board. A lot going on, and what we just talked about, you got your coax, your HDMIs, and several other connection ports. And you've got your ribbon wiring. These are little tabs here that feed the power or image to our main screen or panel. In addition, it feeds the power to our speakers. Pretty cool, check those out. And you've got your power connection feeding your power to your Wi-Fi module. In the event that you're having a hard time connecting to your Wi-Fi and you've tried several different devices and your internet is working on all other devices and fast, chances are you've got a failed module. In the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to replace this module, definitely check out the link scrolling above. In addition, you've got the electrical connection and wiring feeding to your main power button here that you click on and off on the back side. And then here is your IR sensor that your remote communicates with. And in the event that your TV is off, that IR sensor light will be illuminated red the entire time. The second you press power on your remote, your IR sensor light will blink and turn off once your TV turns on. So as you can see, we only have two boards. We've got our power board and we've got our main board. In most cases, you will have a third board and it is going to be green and it is going to be half the size of your main board, and that board is called your TCON board. And in most cases, anytime you start getting vertical lines on your panel screen, you have a faulty or intermittently or completely failed TCON board, and that will need to be replaced. However, it is important to know not all TVs have TCON boards. So in the event that you run into vertical lines on your TV and you do not have a TCON board, chances are you have dust or dirt built up in your connections of your ribbon wiring, or you got a bad main board. So DIYers, I just wanted to show you the inside of your TV and give you a quick friendly explanation or tour, and hopefully this helps. And do us a favor, there's a link scrolling above right now that takes you to our video playlist that has a bunch of videos replacing parts on this TV. Definitely check it out. You may find it very helpful. From here, do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.